Water Off a Duck's Back by Jon Lavelle is packed with techniques on mastering your mind and enhancing psychological fitness. One key technique is deciding your state, which is basically like choosing the best outfit for your day, but in this case, for your feelings. Essentially, you fake it till you make it and pretend till the end. Mindset prep. Jon Lavelle suggests starting by changing your posture, your facial expressions, and how you move. Think of it as playing pretend. You stand tall like a superhero, you smile like you've just heard the best joke, or you stretch like a cat in the sun. This basically helps set the stage for how you want to eventually feel. Engage and learn. Imagine you're about to join a fun workshop or a team game. What would be the best state to be in? Probably curious, open-minded, and ready to participate. Choosing to be receptive and engaged can make the experience much better for you and everyone involved. Tackling tasks. Now let's say you're gearing up for a big test or a challenging project. This time you'll want to switch to being focused, clear-headed, and diligent, like a detective on a case. So by deciding to adopt these states, you're setting yourself up to tackle tough tasks effectively. Choose power. Jon reminds us not to just fall into whatever state comes naturally that day. Instead, take control. Whether you're facing a tough presentation or stepping into a business meeting, you have the power to choose your state. This choice isn't just about feeling good, it's about maximizing your effectiveness and enjoyment in any situation. Master your state, so the next time you face something new, daunting, or exciting, fake it till you make it and pretend till the end. You get to choose how you approach it. Select your state like you pick a winning strategy in a game. Try it out and watch how it transforms not just your outcomes, but your whole experience. Explore more of these techniques in Water Off a Duck's Back and take charge of your mental game. If you enjoyed this video, then stay fast and curious and hit subscribe.